Today, our agenda is to explore the Home tab because this is the most basic tab, and 90% of the time you'll be using this specific tab. So, we'll see what are the ribbons we have in the Home tab, how we can just utilize them, what is the formatting, how we can just do the this table creation, what are the shortcuts, and each and everything. So, let's explore it. So, in the last lecture, we have discussed there is a hierarchy in the Excel, that is you have on the top quick access toolbar, then you have tabs, and then you have ribbons. So right now I'm in the home tab. To understand that in which tab you are right now, you can just see that over here I have a bar just below the home. So if I go to the insert one, then bar will be shifted. So just right now I'm in the home tab. The very first group I have is the clipboard. Now you must be wondering about it, and 90% of the time people just ignore the clipboard. Okay, now there is a fun fact. The clipboard is actually a universal thing. You can access it anywhere. Now we have noticed one thing. When we copy a lot of item, right? Let's say I am copying this home tab by pressing Ctrl C. So I have copied it and where it will get stored. Okay. Now, after this, if I click on some other number or some other text, I will again press Ctrl C. Now this is selected. But now my task is to paste it. I will go with Ctrl V. But this time I want to paste home tab instead of the table creation. So I will not be able to do that. Instead, if you will be pasting it 10 times, so you will be getting the latest update. Okay. So basically what this is the concept of clipboard. So you can copy many items, like a lot of number of item. Exact number is 24. I will show you. So now what I'll do is simple. I will open the clipboard. If you click on this expansion, you see over here, I have copied something. Do I have something which is copied over here? So just click over here and then Control C. And you can see that that item is get copied into your clipboard. This is same as in your mobile phones. So we copy something into our clipboard and then we can paste it anywhere. Now if I copy multiple items, Control C, by pressing Control C, you can see that there is a line is coming over here, right? The stack is building. Now notice one thing. Notice the right hand side corner. Okay, when I copy something, Control C, you can see, look at here, that is the number of item a clipboard can store is 24. So the number of item is 24. Now my main concern is to understand that if I want to paste something else which is the part of queue, right, the latest item will get pasted. And then if I want to paste something else from my row, how can I do that? It's simple. You can just open the clipboard and you can paste it, whatever you want to paste. Let's say I want to paste margin center. So wherever you want to paste, select that particular cell and just copy or paste the thing which you want to paste. Now to remove the items from the clipboard is just click on clear all. One last thing is the question arises, if I have already copied 24 items. So when I am copying 25th item, what will happen to the clipboard? So the first item which we have stored will just get out or just say fall down from the stack. Okay, so that's all about the clipboard. In the next section, we'll cover the each and every section of the home tab. Thank you.